Hi! December 25th, Christmas is the holiday and festival most loved by people on Earth. It is the birthday of Jesus and also the birthday of scientist Isaac Newton. Approximately 160 countries have designated Christmas as an official holiday. 2.3 billion Christians, 32% of the world's population, commemorate and celebrate the birth of Jesus. For 260 million of them, Christmas falls on January 7th. In places like Armenia, Christmas falls on January 6th. This is because of sectarian differences. Approximately 45% of people on Earth, including Christians, celebrate Christmas. One of the two people participates in the Christmas celebration. Especially in the Philippines, the Christmas season starts in September and lasts until December. It's as long as 4 months, such a real heaven on earth. At Christmas, we sing carols and hang lights on the tree to brighten up the darkness. Energy consumption increases by about 30%, which is visible when viewed from space. According to statistics from 2015, 6.63 billion kilowatt-hour of energy is used to light lights in the United States during Christmas. That's more than the annual energy use of countries like El Salvador or Ethiopia. In the UK, the amount of electricity used on Christmas Day alone is approximately 402 million kilowatt-hour. This is enough to light up the Eiffel Tower in Paris for 50 years and the Sydney Opera House in Australia for 25 years. When it comes to Christmas, gifts are inevitable, right? Therefore, the amount of money each household spends increases significantly during Christmas. Statistics show that people spend an average of 156% of their monthly income, including buying Christmas decorations and gifts. In 2023, $1.3 trillion is expected to be spent globally during the Christmas season. Compare this to the global GDP of $105 trillion in 2023. It's not a small amount. Of that total, $1.1 trillion is spent in the United States. However, the country with the highest average spending is Canada, not the United States. Statistics show that the average Canadian spends about $2,100. As a result, on average, 41 orders are placed per second on Amazon.com on Christmas season. Christmas is now celebrated not only on Earth but also in space. In 1968, the Christmas message sounded first from a spacecraft. On the Apollo 8 spacecraft, astronauts recorded a Christmas message and delivered it to people on Earth. In 1974, a Christmas tree was decorated on a spacecraft for the first time. Since then, at Christmas time, astronauts have gathered together to celebrate Christmas. Soon, we will be spending Christmas on the Moon, Mars, or even more distant planets. There will also come a historic moment when we will spend Christmas with aliens. To do that, there are things we need to solve. This is 230,000 tons of waste that accumulate annually due to Christmas. This includes 7.5 million mince pies and 740,000 Christmas puddings. The amount of wrapping paper thrown away at Christmas is 384,400 kilometers. It is a distance that can reach the moon. That trash causes trouble for the Earth. We must strive to reduce carbon emissions to zero. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Thank you. Be back.